Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix sound issues on YouTube when you can't hear anything. If your YouTube audio is not working, don't worry. Just follow these simple steps. First, open Google Chrome and go to YouTube. Once you are on the YouTube website, right-click on the YouTube tab at the top. You will see a menu, and here look for the option called Mute Site. If it is enabled, click on it. Then right-click again on the tab and click on Unmute Site to make sure sound is allowed. If this method doesn't work, play any video on YouTube and check the volume icon on the video player. Make sure the video is not muted and the volume slider is turned all the way up. If you're still not getting sound, open a new tab in Chrome and type this, Chrome//settings/content/sound and press enter. This will open the sound settings page. Here, make sure the option Sites Can Play Sound is enabled. Another thing you should check is your system sound. Go to the bottom right corner of your screen and click on the speaker icon. Make sure your system volume is not muted and is set to a proper level. If the issue is still not fixed, go to the Start menu and type Troubleshoot, then open Troubleshoot Settings. Scroll down and click on Additional Troubleshooters. Now select Playing Audio and click on Run the Troubleshooter. Windows will automatically detect and fix any sound issues. And that's it. If you like this video, make sure you give a thumbs up, then subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any new updates.